Roshni, lovely lady in
Hello.
black. Look how lovely
Thank
she's
you.
looking.
So are you.
Thank you. Thank
Hello.
you. We are in the red couch talking about love. So,
Are
Roshni,
we? Okay.
tell us what's happening this VJ. Spill the beans. We'll put her in a spot.
Nothing great. Number one, I don't plan anything. I go with the flow. But this time, I'm really looking forward to taking myself out on a spa, taking myself out on a date. It's all about self-love and self-indulgence.
What are you planning to do? Tell our readers. All girls should follow her
go for a
advice.
nice spa. Yeah. I'm just like thinking, given I am going to turn 29, but this back problems, it's like it makes me feel like some 80-year-old lady. So I want to take myself out on a spa, then have I don't know, whatever I'm in the mood for. Like, of course, nothing healthy, but yum, 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 and just probably watch a movie or something in my pajamas.
But why a date with yourself? Why not go
Because
on a
it's
date?
very important. I think what happens the most is that we forget to love ourselves. Yeah, every day we are being something for someone.
Yeah.
It's like, you're either a daughter, you're either an actor, you're either a model, you're either like a sister. I'm not saying that duties are not great, but I think it's sometimes important
To
to
place
just be
yourself.
yourself,
Yeah.
to love yourself for
And
a
place
little bit.
yourself
Place yourself. Yeah,
above everybody
I think
else.
this happens mostly with women. Is it we find really guilty.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of guilt involved when you indulge, like when you self-indulge,
always
right?
last on
I
our
don't
priority
understand,
list.
but I would
Yeah.
want to prioritize myself this time.
But are you a VJ person? Like, are you mushy, rose day, propose day, VJ,
No,
roses,
no,
teddy
no.
bears?
So I'll tell you this very funny
You're not the
story.
romantic kind.
No, I am a romantic kind, but most of my life I've always been bro-zoned, right? So there was this one time. Not one time. This was a ritual.
You bro-zoned or
Okay, if
you
you
were
see this,
bro-zoned?
I'm gonna finally admit this. I'll tell you. So my best friend from I think from class 11, Ankit, I would literally torture him. It's like there's no guy proposing to me or doing anything. So you being my best friend, you have to give me a rose on every rose day. So I remember I forced him once in college. I forced him to buy a rose for me, and during this time the prices just randomly hike. Okay. And we were in college, nobody had enough pocket money, and I literally bullied him into buying me a rose. And then after that, he got that for me and was super happy. And then he was like, okay, I've bought you a rose. Can you please now give me some money? I don't have money for taxi.
Ankit, if you're watching this,
I don't have money for taxi. Like, can you please give me taxi fare? I've given it all on your rose. But yeah, those were good times. Otherwise, no, I don't really believe so much.
but are you a VJ person? Like, do you? I mean, a lot of
I
people
don't
are
judge it. I don't judge it. I don't judge
But
it.
a lot of people celebrate really seriously. To make it really celebrate karo
No,
seriously,
no,
not
no,
not
no,
serious
no,
about.
no. I'm not that serious about it. It's just another day of love.
Yeah.
But আমাদের বাঙালিদের জন্য I think একটু আগে গেল না
সরস্বতী পুজো।
বাঙালির Valentine's Day একটু it's a little more important
But tell us
than
about a
VJ.
date that you've been on a VJ, maybe around VJ.
I have never really. I remember, it's actually not
You've
that
never been
great.
on a VJ date?
No,
or
not
on a date?
really. Not really. Like, there
কোনটা?
are
VJ
ample
date না
Saraswati
date?
Pujo dates that I can tell you
Tell
about.
us,
That's
tell us.
Bangali.
Bangali Saraswati
Valentine's
Pujo, act
Day, like-
memorable.
Okay, no, I'll tell you about something that somebody did for me. And I was shooting outside Calcutta. And randomly, and I remember that year Pathan had released around the same time.
So it's very recent, guys. Take
Yes,
note.
Stop it. And this guy, I
Sorry.
had no idea, flies down
She's flushing,
all the way
okay?
from Calcutta
Is it
because I
showing
was
on camera?
outside. Then he took this car ride for around 5.5, 6 hours to just
To come and meet you.
and to
How
take me
sweet.
out. And he's like, I have booked tickets for Pathan because
How
everybody knows about my love for Shah Rukh
Shah
Khan.
Rukh Khan. But Shoshana, on a serious note, what has love come to mean to you at this point in your life? Or is it different from what it probably meant to you, maybe even 5 years back, or
When I was growing up and watching all these Shah Rukh Khan films, I used to think that this is my ideal man. I still think that Shah Rukh Khan is my ideal man. But anyway, it's going to be, it's going to be roses, it's going to be violence, it's going to be like how they showed it on Main Hoon Na. But it's not. It's just not. It's about friendship, it's about good days and really, really
days.
tough days. But the only thing that you have to know, at least what I have learned, is not to give up. And no argument is more important than the relationship in itself. It's about two people fighting equally to just be with each other. It's you guys against the world.
Right. Lastly, Shoshini, what are you looking out for a relationship right now? What kind of relationship are you looking out for? What kind of a guy you're looking out for our readers? If anyone's watching this,
I am not looking out for a guy. Hello. I'm not looking out for a guy. But
have you found
just
one
anyone,
then? Okay, we'll skip.
I'm not
question.
sure. I'm not sure,
No.
honestly. But yeah, I think
Honestly,
in
it's
any
not-
person we
Yeah,
like
what are
we
you
look
looking
out for this,
for?
like the basic things. Like
Yeah.
my guy needs to have a great sense of humor. Has to be intelligent.
always been
needs
there.
to be that has always been there.
But
It has
something
always
that
been.
maybe has changed with time a little. Now you're kind of.
I think it's
which
just
was
I think
probably
he
not
needs to be.
important to you earlier, but now it's a criteria.
This guy
of
needs to be a
priority.
good listener. Just you don't have to like. What usually happens is that whenever I try to come to someone with a problem,
Yeah.
okay, I don't want this person to
Solution.
fix it for me.
Yeah.
Just listen.
Listen.
Just listen. So, and whoever knows me knows they know
That's
that
very
exactly how much I yap. So, it's really important for me to get a guy who
You just
can
want to
listen.
vent sometimes.
Yeah,
Just,
yeah, absolutely that. And also, this guy has to be my best friend, like somebody I can go to. And like especially because we are not just because in this industry at the end of the night when we're all pretending. Just when you remove that imaginary cloak and just be yourself, you want to come to this person and just be yourself and who'll accept you exactly.
Let you be yourself.
Yeah, who you are. There are too many people who love you for what you are. It's very important to be with a person who love you for who you are.
Correct.
Oof, philosophical.